Precious aspect. Knowledge is a power that can transform all aspects of your life and activity. It is the knowledge that helps us distinguish between human and animal and prevent us from wrong deeds and take right decisions. It protects our logical, imaginational and environmental conception as well as overcome our weakness, fault and dangerous situations in human life. In addition, a person with knowledge is morally and mentally more powerful to lead a proud and peaceful life in this life and hereafter. That's all for today. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.